Hey guys, if you're on the market for one of the best and most affordable lasers and engravers, guys, Longer Ray 5 is the way to go. Stay with us, we'll explain guys about that product, we'll see how easy it is to use and what we think about it. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be an amazing product review about a longer laser engraver. Stay with us guys, we'll do an open box, we'll show you what comes in the box, how to put it together, we're going to use it, we'll see how easy it's to use, and stay with us to see if we recommend it or not, but I think it's a product that most people will really enjoy. So guys, let us show you what's inside the box. The first thing that you see is the manual, and it explains how to put it together, guys, step by step. It's not complicated. If you follow these steps, you can see this is the packaging list right here. That's the diagram with the different names of the parts, and on the back side it explains how to put it together. You just use a few screws, but it's practically, guys, okay, a piece of cake. And inside the box, that's what we have, all the parts. Even comes with safety goggles. We have the USB cable here, and what else we have? The power cord. That's the laser here. Okay, and you can see that's it, guys. So let's go ahead, put it together, and see what it looks like now. So guys, we got everything out of the box, and here what we like about it, you can see all the little bags are labeled step 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, so forth. So it's pretty easy, guys. Okay, putting it together, it's not complicated. We found out that they get a USB SD card with it, and on that card there is a complete video step by step how to put it together. If you want, you can follow that paper, or you can check out the video. It makes it very clear how to adjust things, how to put it together, so we'll not waste your time with that. We'll put it together and then we'll continue with the next step. So guys, we put the laser together. Now, we've never done anything like that. This is the first time we use a laser, guys. And let me tell you, it's easy. It's not complicated at all. This brand, we are very satisfied from what we've seen. It took us less than 15 to 20 minutes to put it together. We just followed their video. It's not complicated at all. Let me show you guys what we have here now. So practically, when we put it together, okay, you just have to pay attention. You need to put the 3 sides together. Then you're gonna get this one through and put the last side, put the belts, install the control box and the feet, and practically, guys, it's super easy. After that, all we have to do, connect it to the power, and when we turn it on, you're going to hear the fan going, the screen will come on, and here, guys, okay, it's a touch screen, so you can use the controls, you can move the laser. You can see I'm going to move it if we need to. You can move it, guys, okay, each way. You can go back here, you can engrave from an SD card or connect it with the cable to the computer. Under tools, guys, you have the different languages, which I believe it's Portuguese, English, we have, guys, Spanish, Deutsch, German, and I believe this is Chinese. I apologize for not being competent, but I believe it's Chinese, guys. And now it's connected here. It's connected to the computer, guys, and what we're going to do now, we're going to print our play buttons, guys, okay, the reward play buttons from YouTube here, and guys, okay, that's a piece of cake right here. So what we're gonna do now, okay, that button, all we need to do next, open the software laser, that laser GRBL. It comes in the flash drive that they send you. This is a free one, you can use it as many times as you want. They have another professional one that you have a free trial version, and then you can buy it if you want to. That's the one that I used so far. When you guys do that, you need to go to connect. It asked me to update, so we updated it already. Now if I click here again, it says it's connected. We can do file, open file, and here we're going to connect. Open the file, guys, for World Mechanics, our YouTube channel, right here, guys. Now you can adjust how many lines to do, okay, how many lines you want it to do per millimeter, okay, and when you do that, it's going to tell you about resolution, lines, things like that, guys, what's going to do and all that stuff, but not, okay,
If resolution could not be achieved by full engine speed, some artifacts may appear. Okay, it tells you about that. Perfect. Now we are going to click next, and here guys, here it's important what you do. You need to select the material. Ours is basswood right here, but if you engrave, make sure you don't put it on cut. If you're cutting, you can cut with it as well, but if you cut, you need to adjust your thickness. If you engrave, you just put in engraving, you adjust the speeds to 20,000 millimeters per minute. So we apply that one, create, and now, okay, that's the printing right here. When you guys do that, what we need to do next? Okay, we're going to get here the wood board, and now guys, you need to adjust, okay, the height. So you pre-loosen the two adjustable bolts on the back. The laser will drop. Now guys, I'm gonna come on this side here. Let me pass the camera, and you need to get that device that they send you that sets, okay, the distance from the cutting material to the laser. Put it there, tighten the screws, the bolts, by hand of course, tighten them guys, okay, and go ahead and remove it. So practically now guys, we're ready to engrave now. Perfect. So now we're going to go ahead, click next here guys. Okay, it's important, click that. You see that's basswood, right? If you want to cut, you need to specify the thickness so you can cut through it. If you want to engrave, we're going to engrave. Okay, it's going to do 20,000 millimeters per minute. Now we click apply. That's the size of it. That's what we need, about 350 by 275. We're going to do that one, and once it loads guys, okay, we want to show you now, if you look now, okay, we're going to click center, and the laser will go to the center. We need to position now the wood in the center guys, okay, and more on this side too, okay, like this one, right there. Now I'm going to click here, corner, perfect, and now we'll click frame, and you will see where it will be printing, so you can see if it's okay going all the way inside guys where it's supposed to, okay, like this one. So we're going to see, okay, how it looks, if it fits in the frame. If it doesn't, we will need to adjust things. Okay, perfect. It looks good on top, looks good on the bottom. I want to see the sides if they're good, and once that goes guys, okay, we can proceed with cutting. Okay, great. So practically it's loading now guys. Okay, you can see the sides, I think they look great too. Let me just compare quick to make sure that everything's amazing, and it is how it's supposed to be. Perfect. Okay, now it's going to the left side. Let's see now. Okay, just like this one. Okay, great. So now guys, what we need to do, click start, put your glasses on, and it's going to start engraving guys. Okay, check this thing out. So it's going to have some smoke, that's normal. Okay, we're going to give it some time, and we'll see, okay, what it looks like. So guys, it's still engraving. As you can see now, there are different settings for constant power, for dynamic power. We're on dynamic power now, and it seems like it's burning the edges a little bit more. We'll go to constant power, see how that looks. So guys, make sure to stay until the end. So you can see guys, we finished it, and it looks simply amazing. Here I increase the power to about 200%, here it's at about 100, you can go either way. Now this is more like engraving, you can see cutting through the wood, which, okay, you can adjust guys, all that stuff, you can play with it, but that's what's so beautiful about it. You learn as you go guys. The more you play, the better you get at that, like everything else. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.